Big letter E and small letter E.
Very good.
Where letter F?
Where's the letter F? This one.
Big letter F and small letter F.
Next.
G.
Okay.
Where letter G?
This one.
Big letter G and small letter G.
Very good. Next.
That's where letter H.
Very good. Okay, put it there.
This
Yeah, that is the small letter H.
big letter H and small letter F. Very good, Dayon Mom.
Very good. Next.
Big letter I and small letter I.
Very good.
Big letter J and then small letter J.
Very good. Next. Okay, continue.
K.
Okay.
Big letter K and small letter K.
Very good. Next.
Small letter L and
Big letter L.
big letter L and small letter L.
Continue.
S.
M. Letter M.
Yes. Letter M. Big letter M and small letter M.
Next.
N. Where letter N? Here. Where?
There. Oh.
Big letter N and small letter M.
Continue. It's okay na anak.
Big letter O and small letter O.
Okay, very good. Next.
P.
Okay.
Big letter P and small letter P.
Very good. Next.
What's flying? Q.
Okay.
Big letter Q and small letter Q.
Next.
Ay, faster now!
Okay.
Letter R.
Okay. Where's the small letter R?
Big letter R and small letter R.
Next.
S.
Okay.
Big letter S and small letter S.
Very good. Continue.
Where letter T?
That one is letter T.
Big letter T and small letter T.
Continue.
Big letter U.
Small.
Big
Big.
letter U and small letter U.
Very good. Next.
V. V. Big letter V and small letter V.
Very good. Next. Continue.
W.
Okay.
Big W and small W.
Okay, next.
Big letter X and small letter X.
Very good. Next.
Big letter Y and small letter Y.
Very good.
Like this.
Yeah. Fine.
And
Last one.
big letter J and small letter Z.
Yay! Very good.